This is a handheld impact driver set made by CK. It is used for loosening rusted or stubborn screws or bolts. The set additionally contains a steel case, 4 bits, and a hexagon adapter. The impact driver is made of heavy-duty steel. It weighs about 750 grams. The handle has a wide diameter with a shock-absorbing grip. The collar gives you comfort and protection. The 1/2 inch to 5/16 of an inch heavy-duty bit holder is made of chromium-vanadium steel, which combines hardness, toughness, and is corrosion resistant. Most of the time you will be using it for loosening. However, you can also firmly tighten screws or nuts by rotating the drive plug to the right. Firmly grip the driver and place it in contact with the screw or the nut. When you hit the driver, you simultaneously drive the bit into the fixing and rotate it. Check DME's website to find more details about this and more products. Browse through over 600,000 items and get everything you want. You need it? We have it.